former Maldivian President Abdullah Yamin Abdul Gayoom has spoken against arresting suspects during investigations. While speaking at an assembly led by the opposing Progressive Party of Maldives, PPM, and People's National Congress, PNC, the former statesman said that the apprehension of suspects over petty crimes and ordinary offenses during investigations is illegal in nature. Furthermore, the former Maldives president claims that the apprehension of individuals based on intelligence reports should be unlawful, adding that suspect apprehension is already executed without providing the arrested individuals a chance to respond to allegations. Judges move promptly towards ordering authorities to apprehend individuals simply based on intelligence reports. This is not a philosophy I can back, commented Gayoom. Gayoom's comments may have been indirectly aimed at the recent apprehension of Horafushi constituency lawmaker Mohammed Ismail.